How to look at calculator history on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can look at calculator history on your iPhone. So let's get started. So previously you could only view history, or you could only do limited things to view the history. So all you could do was long press on the calculator app and tap on copy last result. Now that was the last thing that we could do, but with the new update, now we can look at calculator history for up to a month. So what you'll need to do is tap on this three lines on the top left, and there you will see all of the history of your iPhone's calculator. So you can see up to 30 days of history, and you can even edit this. So you can tap on these and you can delete these here. And yeah, that is how you can view history of your calculator on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.